hair I'll be using. Okay, I've actually used it before, so I decided to put it in a wig. About the other video, the picture I posted, you can see as my thumbnail, it's still the same thing. Actually, we'll still achieve the same finish. Okay guys, as you can see, I sectioned this part into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different parts. Okay, so I ventilated this part. So if you've not watched my video on how to ventilate, I'll be putting the link in my description box, so just go ahead and check it out. Okay, so now we have 5 different parts, and this is actually the middle. Okay, so I'm just going to start off with this part. Try and clip this one away from the rest of the hair, then open up this one, and then we'll start the braiding process. So what I'm going to do now is just to section a little part. Okay, maybe I should make it a little bit bigger. In fact, let me even make it really big. Okay, then from this particular one I just sectioned out, I'll just divide it into 2. This one is very, very simple. Very simple. There are 2 methods of achieving this. So this is one of the hair. So I'm just going to make sure this is at the middle. Okay, just to ensure that the length is equal. Then I'll place the middle part at the middle of this hair, after which I would just tie it. This is one of the methods, like I told you earlier. I will just tie it. You can decide to tie once, you can decide to tie twice, so depending on your preference, doesn't matter. So this is the second tying. Next thing I'm going to do is to just hold it like so, and then I'll just start. So I'm just going to start wooling, threading, you know the way you thread your hair. So I'll make the first one, the second one, this is the third one. So depending on how much length you want here, then I'll just bring out a little section like so, then go once, twice, then the last one I'll just tie it. Okay, so I'm not going to end here. I'll still take a little part from the remaining hairs, and then I will knot it or tie it. So this is the first one, and this is the second one, and there you have it. Okay, so this is number 1. So I'll be showing you guys how to make number 2, but first of all, let's cut off this extra. Just get rid of this extra. If you want, you can use candle and just finish up this area. So just the way we did the first one, I will section this into 2 as well. Then get our hair, place it at the middle, and then I'll try to make a short braid. Okay, you can see that. I'll make a short braid. If you don't know how to braid, let me know in the comment section. I'll do a video on how to braid. So braiding this part will help attach this hair to the one I'm doing. So I'm just going to make a short braid, and that is it. Then pack everything to one side, this hair to one side, the braided part to the other side, and then start my threading again. This is very, very easy. It's not difficult at all. So this is the third one, Then take a little section, then we go again, 1. Make sure you smoothen the hair, 2. The third one we tie. Okay, can you see that? So hold on to it so it doesn't loosen up. So I'm just going to get a little more hair from this, the remaining hair, tie it, 1, make sure it's tight, 2, then take your scissors and you cut it off. So this is it, you can see. So if you don't understand, just go back and watch the video, just go back and watch it. Okay, so for this part I'm going to show you guys what I'll do here using this smaller crochet needle. There's a bigger one, but this is a smaller one, so I'm just going to pass it. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll just pass it. So I'm going to show you guys what I'll do. I'll take this stuff, you can see this hook right here, then I'll move as if I'm going downwards, then I'll move upwards a little bit, just about, I'll go past 2 different openings. You can see the different openings on this stuff. We have 1, 2, you can see all those openings right there. So first of all, in order to slide this in, because if you just try to, it will be difficult. If you just want to push it in, it will be difficult. So what I'll do is I will go in as if I'm hooking, then go past some let's say just about 1 hole, then bring out my crochet needle as like so, and then push it upwards, then grab a hair, close it up, and then push it out. So push it out, you separate it such that you have something like this. So for this back, this is the easiest and most fun part. Don't forget, for this one, this whole rope stuff we did here, this threading stuff we did here, I'm just going to do it on the first section, and then the middle section, and then maybe the third one. After that, what we'll be doing will be completely different to finish it up. I'm not going to be repeating that. So this is what I'm going to be doing. I call this filling up the hair. So to fill it up, just going to bend the head. Just get your thread and needle, and then just attach it. Very, very simple. So I'm just showing you guys what I'll be doing all over. Okay? So I'm just going to attach it like that twice. Then I'll cut it off. If you like, you can continue the thread. So repeat again. Let me just use this chalk and show you what you have to do. For these first sections like that, you go around, just do the regular threading, but from here you do this, you do the sewing. So just trace the line to the other side like that, just do the regular sewing, and when it comes to the back, try to cover up more of this area. So anyway, I'll be showing you guys the progress. you've learned something. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you have any question, drop it in the comment box below, and do subscribe to my channel if you want to be seeing more of my videos. Okay, take care guys, love you.